yeah. There we go.
We love you, King Julian.
You ready?
Not really, I'm kind of scared.
It's gonna be rough.
My 450 is gonna be actually clapped after this. Had to rip the Cowie, dude. Gotta go with the green one.
They used to edit, but we know you, right?
Do I know you? Are you Brendan?
I know you.
Are you Brendan Price?
I'm Brendan. Is this your kayak 250?
4.
That's your 450?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Good luck.
Thanks. All right, this is gonna be interesting. We're here at Braydon's Deer Club. Definitely should not be out here on a KX 450, but you know what? Julius is in swim shorts and a t-shirt, so no excuses. So yesterday I actually put in my soft tuning map on this bike, so I'm hoping that'll help me a little bit in these trails. It's definitely a lot slower. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, Miller, you goober. I'm super excited. This is gonna be a fun day. Lots of hill climbs, I'm guessing. And we're gonna see how the whole 450 does. Oh, tree. Today I'm playing Temple Run again. Oh, that was a hole right there. Hey, hey.
These logs are really sketchy with my ankles.
Probably doesn't help that you're wearing fucking Vans. Oh, this looks fine.
You wanna edit this video?
How many GoPros? 1, 2, 3? No.
I told him $500.
I'll do it for $4.99. Oh, easy there, brother. Oh, he went up the hard way. Oh yeah, Miller, get it. Oh. We're victims of the Deer Club. How'd you do that? Dude, that's at least like 5 foot tall. Can I go that way?
Yeah, go out right and then come up. Good luck. I'm gonna watch the
Big track guy out here. My clutch plates are gonna be smoking today. Mountain bike. Come on, Miller. I'm drifting. Ah! No goggles, head ass. What is this? I'm not fitting through here.
Yeah, just drop down right there.
No. Dude, I'm just riding my clutch this whole time. That's good for it. Hey, there you go. Ah, tree to the eye, tree to the eye.
Right.
My shit's getting hot.
Oh, sure.
What is this, a national enduro? Oh, I'm in gear. Oh, I'm in gear again. Can you head it that way? Like, can I hit it straight and go up to those logs?
I did not know you were going to hit the brake right there. I'm glad you did. We would have all been taken out. Good job, Ryan. You got to hit this now.
This?
Yeah. You got to hit the train. Honestly, I think you have great pace control. Yeah, and you got good speed. You're going to have to
Oh, y'all are so sweet. That made me blush.
Backflip.
Do a flip.
Hey, watch where you're looking at, boy.
Don't you fucking talk to me. I got you, bro.
Wait.
Rap.
I can see it from here.
Oh my God. Hey, watch it, bro. You might scratch your dream bike. It's almost like you did a flip.
That Kinda sent it to the moon.
Man, I'm out of breath. Y'all wearing me out.
Can I have your lane, God?
It's not mine. It's my dad's. You can have the FRS. Woo! I did a half flip. Yeah, they weren't kidding. There's really no turnaround up here, huh? Hey, I tried. I'll do it again.
It's hard to make it up there.
Yeah.
You know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man?
Not the Muffin Man! Hey, this is a pretty good view spot.
This would be an easier way to go up. Big balance guy.
Nah, I just got lucky. Never done that before.
That would be a clutch lever.
Well,
The lever you need the most.
damn it, Bobby.
That ain't good at all.
Nope. That's not good at all. At least it was kind of cool.
Yeah, I guess it.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but this is a pretty good spot to take a nap.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, Ryan effed up. We lost a clutch lever on a 450 in the middle of nowhere. We'll just leave it here. You can ride on the back with me.
Yeah, okay. Clutch lever hill. It was already hard enough riding this thing with the clutch. Should have brought the Yamaha.
Hey, stop.
Oh, uh-oh.
Sit and stay.
Uh-oh.
Stay. No, stay.
Oh, yeah, that's good, too. She's clapped now. Oh, okay, thanks. I'm out bars, a clutch, fender, and my ego.
I made it.
Good.
Thanks.
Good boy.
You good, dog.
Miller's got a good clap. That was a solid one.
Well, everybody made it up the hill. Ryan, dog, I cannot believe you made it. I went over there and felt that clutch. It was,
It's not the move. Oh, yeah. This is what you want right here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! You want your bars like this, and your clutch lever a chode. My fingers are getting a workout today. The thing is, first gear is too long, like you can hear it, so I have to ride the clutch. Nice! Got Mr. Fast Guy up here. Let's see it. Send it, buddy. Dude, easy. He's a pro. You know, I really want to try that, like, the step down jump, but like, with my clutch right now, dude, nah, that'll be for next time. You know, it's almost like I don't have a clutch lever. Wow, this hill's pretty steep from up here. I'm gonna put it on not the pro circuit side. Wow, you're fast. Can I try it on that thing? You want to hold it?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Yay. That was the good side, man. Come on. That was the good side. Bro. Not the pro circuit. Oh, shit. I don't have a front brake anymore.
You're full of it.
It's gone. It's right here.
That was good. That was good.
Huh? Huh?
What?
You trying to square up? Huh? You trying?
I'm good.
You
I'm
trying to square up?
Get him, get Hey, no,
I was just trying to help you out. Lift your bike up. Not the dream bike. He read one KTM catalog, called him up and said, give me every KTM part you got. He read one Racer X magazine and started making phone calls. I really don't know where they went. They're back that way. Getting lost at Braydon Price's Deer Club, gone wrong, gone sexual, crazy fight. That's gonna be the title. You suck! Dude, had to go with the green one. You know what's crazy? Clutch levers are a great invention. It won't start. Is this thing on? You know, I really hate two strokes with a passion.
That thing sucks.
It kind of does. Like, it's like zero and then, ah! Mine died. Y'all are whooping my ass. I really hate this bike with a burning passion. Hey now. Got it? Dude, this thing's so smooth. We love you, King Julian. This thing's smooth as shit. So much better than that one. I like being on top of the hill. I'm the king of the world. Oh, this is steep. Ooh. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. We're good. Don't bruise me, King Julian. Oh, this hurts. Neutral's my best friend. I love riding a dirt bike practically one-handed. She was in neutral, bud. Oh my lord, what is this, a fucking safari? Miller. Who needs a recluse when you have a 450? Oh yeah. A for effort. There you go. Oh, this is like an actual lake. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, it smells awful down here. Something definitely croaked. Did you fart? That motherfucker. I'm gonna hit this going fast. I'm gonna haul ass right here and jump off this thing. Oh, yeah, I think I'm good. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, she's really clapping now.
Yo.
I'm good. I didn't come here not to send it. I smacked my chest on those handlebars so hard. I knew that shit was gonna happen too. Bars are really bent now. All right, this isn't gonna be synced up. Oh wow, that's not good, Bobby. The bars are like this. I hope you guys can see how crooked this is. This thing will never be the same again. Honestly, dude, surprised my wheel is not absolutely bent. Like, Cowie, solid job making wheels. Oh hey. Couldn't pass up the opportunity to send it here at the Marty Price Deer Club. And now my bike is clapped in every physical possible way. My right ass cheek is definitely broken.
Your bike's a little crickety cranked after.
Yeah, well, Ken, let's just leave it here. Peace.
Price.